I want to show you a way to get your affiliate link out there and drive traffic to your affiliate offer with no website, no money, completely free. Anybody can do this. Check this out. Jump over to ClickBank and pick your product. For this example, we'll use games. We'll choose World of Warcraft guide, hit promote, generate hop link. This will be the link we'll put in our snip. Jump over to Google and type World of Warcraft articles. Once you've found a good article, just click on it and copy and paste the URL for the article. Come over here to sniply.com and create a snip. Then just paste the URL for that article right here. And down here, you're going to put the affiliate link for your product. Hit promote. This link here will now go right here. Next, you're going to go over to reddit.com and find a forum. It's all about your niche. And once we have that, just create a post with your new snip. So with this method, you're being helpful in the forum and you are not spamming your affiliate link.